Okay, so I want to show you Osei's new fun thing to do. Let's see if he'll eat anymore. Osei, want some? Osei. Hey, little boy. You two are hilarious. Come here, Osei. He's realized the joy of looking at halfway chewed food in his mouth in the mirror. It's quite nasty, but it's hilarious. Hey, looking like your daddy. Okay, he's gone. And there goes the other one. Oh. Go get your boy. Go ahead. What are you laughing at? What's he doing? Oh, he's practicing his hat tricks in the mirror. Hey! Oh, and he goes down. Good gracious. This is probably only really interesting to me. Alright, let's try this. If he would stay still, people would probably not get nauseous watching these. Okay, you want to see? Let's see. Who's that? Osei. What's Osei doing? What's he got? What's he got? You got to think about it. What's he doing? Does he have Rocket? You're very fascinated with watching Osei on the camera. Yeah, good job, Osei. You got it right in. And take it right out. Alrighty. Well, I think that's enough fun time for this one. People have never seen so much of these children ever. Good job. You say bye-bye? You say goodbye, Rice Face? Always looks so sad. It's you. Okay, let's do it like this. Look in the mirror. Come here. Sorry for all the